you sick and freaking tired of having the same old venting fest with the same old people for years upon years about the same things within the industry everyone thinks people should be doing but aren't doing and never really come to any solution? What's up, my Good Vibe DJ tribe? Today's Ask Him a Question is, I'm so sick and tired of hearing people complain about the industry. Every after party I go to is just about putting down other DJs and digging into how promoters should be doing better. Yet this has gone on since I started 5 years ago. When did things change, and how can I be a part of that change? You know what's not productive? Bitching about things all the time. So number one, I would step out. Step out of this situation, step out of the negativity, step away from this group of people, because what's happening is not working for you and it's obviously draining your energy. There is nothing wrong with venting. People do this from time to time. But when you're complaining about the same thing over and over and over again and nothing changes, it's kind of like being with that loser boyfriend and you complain about him for 10 years and then you're surprised that nothing ever changes. Maybe it's time to leave that boyfriend. Number two, step into the positive. Maybe that looks like finding people within your industry that are doing really well. That could be locally, that could be globally. I would do both. I would look at people within your industry that are making big moves and they do have a positive, driven mindset and they're consistently being the example. If you find yourself struggling to find these type of people locally, don't worry. You can find them globally, and you can find other people changing their industry by switching their mindset and starting to look for solutions while putting them into play. 3, switch that mindset. One of the best ways that you can switch this mindset is to start reading and watching inspirational videos and books. Put yourself out there by checking out what various workshops are going on and how you can get involved within your community. But in order to switch that mindset, I find we have to break these bad habits. So instead of participating in the conversations that aren't working, it's participating in the conversations that do have people within that growth mindset and inspiring ourselves by learning. And last but not least, refocus your efforts. So it's great that you're trying to build your confidence and have a more positive mindset, but really focus in on the projects that you're passionate about. So maybe that is making music, maybe that's recording DJ mixes, maybe you want to start a new podcast, maybe you want to start vlogging, maybe you want to start writing articles or doing workshops. Focus on the things that are really important to you so that when these after parties happen, maybe instead of going there, you go home, you get rest, and then you wake up first thing in the morning and start working on music. Refocus that energy into something that you are very passionate about, like music. It may not happen overnight, but if you continue to implement these things within your day-to-day, you are going to notice the difference. And you will notice when you do hang around those people and those conversations start to happen again, maybe you do offer a solution and maybe they kick it down. But in your head, you already know what they're doing is not working. They've been having this conversation over and over again. So sometimes you just got to step away from those situations and refocus onto something that makes you feel real good. Hope you found this answer to your Ask Kilma question helpful. If you've got some, make sure you hashtag Ask Kilma on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And also let us know in the comments below your experiences. How did you switch your mindset? How did you refocus your energy on something more positive? Let us know in the comments below.